Today's video, going to be replacing the water pump on this 6-liter Escalade. And as you can see, it's leaking. And it's leaking from one of the gaskets. 8mm for this cover. 8mm for the clamps. 8mm for this clamp. On this driver's side, you can see the petcock. I have a 3/8 inner diameter hose. Now we'll go ahead and unscrew the petcock and drain the fluid. And for the pump, there's 3 bolts on the driver's side and 3 for the passenger. 10mm. And right there you can see where it cracked. Got this carbide scraper, plastic scraper, and a Scotch-Brite. I cleaned the threads, blew them out, make sure there's no dirt. I'm gonna clean the surface. So now this is ready. So if yours is making noise, it's a good time to replace it. So now we gotta take off the thermostat housing. There's 2 bolts, and then the 3 for the idler. 10mm for the thermostat housing. $15mm. New hardware. Torque I found online was 11 foot-pounds. Torque I found online was 37 foot-pounds. Go ahead and put the new gaskets on. Now we'll go ahead and install the water pump. Torque I found online was 11 foot-pounds for the first pass and then 22 for the second. Mount bolts are torqued. We're going to put the belt on now so we don't have to worry about the upper hose. Alright, lower hoses are on. Make sure you close off the drain plug. Alright, now that you put everything back in, and now you just go over your connections, making sure you're not leaking anywhere. We're going to go ahead and start it so we can bleed air out of the system. Want to make sure that the front is the highest part so any air gets brought out. Going to put the heat on high and watch the temperature. Alright, so we're going to just let it run till we get heat out of the vents. So we're just driving around, keeping an eye on the temperature with the heat on. And so far so good. And that's how you replace the water pump on these 6 hoses. Hopefully this video helps you. You have a good one.